Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have a moving headlight. It's like one of those DJ booth lights. Here we go. This is what it's going to look like right there. So it's going to connect up into your whole, I think it's called a DMX system, to connect up to all the different stuff and be able to have lights and stuff everywhere. So how cool will that be? Okay, and I have a whole system stuff over there. So we'll get this thing unboxed here and show you what we got. Actually, I'm not sure I have enough wires for it, but we'll give it a second try. This is what it looks like here. So you can see it is one heavy-duty piece of equipment, and it's heavy. It's got, it does have some screws there, so you can mount it upside down from the roof as well, which is the eventual plan here. Got buttons on here to control it right from the front. Got all the different lights and things there. Nice bulbs and little glass bulbs there. Let's put this down here. It's very heavy. Okay, there, that's down there. Move that over. Let's see what it, oh, it comes with a power cord here. Ah, and here's the mounting for it. So here we can mount it on, like I was saying, upside down. So we've got all of that there. Actually, let me keep the box here for a second, and I'll put it on there so you guys can see it all. So it will go up here. I don't have an extension cord. I need to find an extension cord so I can plug this into it. Let me go find that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got it kind of set up. I just pushed some buttons on the front to make it go, but I want to show you guys what it looks like here. You can kind of see it is a disco in here. It's got lights going everywhere and everything. Let me turn off some of my studio light here just so you can get a better idea. Close my blinds. It's not very dark in this room, but you get the idea. There, look at that. Oh, it's even got like thumping sounds and stuff. Look at this. This is a total disco here going on in this room. I don't know if you can see. Let me aim you guys up here a little bit. You can see it on the roof. It's just going wild. You could probably slow it down and speed it up and stuff as you want. But how cool is that? And this is what it looks like here. So this will be connected up into your system here. You've got the DMX in and out there, so you can kind of chain it in with your other effects, have it going based on sound, on other stuff there. This is a nice solid piece of equipment here. If you need some specs here for it, let me show you guys what you got here. This is them here. You could probably pause it and zoom in, but that is it. And look at that. This thing is just gonna go. It's got all these different right now. I guess it's just on some random auto. There you can see it's just on some auto, you know, just rotating, doing different thing. And I'm in a tiny room here. If you're in a bigger hall, it won't look as fast as it is right here. It's just wild now. But it's gonna go up in our game room to play around there, and it is sweet. Look at that. Super fun. Oh, now it's slowing down and going backwards. Totally cool. Nice device. If you have a discotheque or someplace like that and you want to do this or bring it to a concert or stage or something like that, you're going to be, you know, looking cool. So totally fun. And I just plugged it in and pushed the button on there to auto to make it go. So it just goes by that, but you can connect it up with the DMX and have it go connected to your system if you want as well. So totally fun. Totally awesome. I love it. Super bright. Thumbs up.